the 11th of June 2021. Here's Vattuniemenkatu, Lauttasaari 16, small letter A, staircase C. We have also the staircase B and A here to film. We have filmed the staircase D here, last two ones. And we have also the small letter A part of this residential building with 4 added elevators.
Yeah.
We don't have the code there, but hopefully we'll find it later. There are 6 floors here and it was built in 1972. I guess this could be early 1972, but can be inauspicious. It looks like that because the other part is from late 1971. And the serial number is H28318 with 6 floors, and the basement floor is used as the ground floor, so it's probably street level or katotaso. And it's going to be inspected in 2023. Amazing.
Yeah.
And it's bottom driven. They're all bottom driven here.
Yeah.
Maybe the other ones are, the added ones are hydraulic, but we'll see. If we get them.
Yeah.
They still have the MV6 stop and alarm buttons and occupied light.
Yeah.
The sticker here is in both official languages, Swedish and Finnish. Yeah.
Yeah.
For a warning that is to not be in too close to the door. You can press for the second ride.
Inspekteerbaar gewijzigd, maintained by Schindler.
This is turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022, or next year. I think they didn't build any elevators in late 1971 there because there's only 4 floors.
Yeah.
And in the early 1970s, like 4 floors was still not a requirement.
That's
That's it.